And we just gotta get sawdust, stick in there, and then babies have a playpen. Yeah, and they don't have to be inside for all long, just 24 hours after they're born, then they can come out here. And we got a light switch, not an outlet right there, so we can put the heat lamp in the corner or hang it. Yeah, that's more than enough. And the idea is to wire this one pretty well at that end, and then I'll have clips here to get in and out of it. And of course my husband needs, you got it? I'm gonna go grab the wire real quick. The wire. The wire? Or no, you meant down there. Okay.
That first.
Here,
I gotta get
Milo crying.
Milo.
Be a nice little area for them.
Milo.
Here he comes. Milo.
There he is. Little Milo. It's a Milo. Like, I'm not getting stuck inside of here. I can't go out and booze. Milo. Big, I think.
Yeah, that's more than enough for them to be comfortable in and still run around and play. Could even put a small log inside there and they could jump up and down off of it. Because we know baby goats like to jump on stuff. So my husband got this wired up, as you guys seen. We wired it in 3 different places, and then we've got these clips on it. Yeah, they're a little big to be on there, but that's just so I can get in and out of here with our bucket milker feeder for the babies, and then be able to clean this out as often as needed. But this should be plenty big enough for the amount of kids that we'll end up with until that they go to their new homes. And then they'll be in here for probably a few weeks till it's warm enough outside for them to be able to be outside.
I can't even hardly see the hut now. Man, I ain't seen it snow that damn heavy in years.
It's like it's trying to focus on the dirt pieces on the outside of the window because it can't tell what's out there. It's weird because you can't even see that it's snowing in my phone. You can't hardly even see the snow flying on the windshield like you can if you're just looking out at it. This phone don't show it as clear as it would be if you're sitting here. Say going to work. Yeah.
Back to the stressful place.
And when you come to the farm store and spend $270, I tell you, things are not cheap anymore. My husband's back there loading it up. 2 things of sawdust, 3 things of tribute balance for the Mustangs, 4 or 6 bags of chicken feed, and then some seeds, some clearance socks, winter socks, and some seeds. $270 some. Yay us. Look at that. My husband's being a good Samaritan by bringing the cart all the way back in the store. When the cart thingy was right there, he could have just stuck it right there, but no. Guess he's gonna take it all the way back in. Is he gonna come in the out or out the in? Probably gonna go back out. Oh, no, he went out the out. Here he comes. And then we gotta use our Premier One light. These actually lights are good because they don't catch on fire, but they're very expensive. They're $50, but they're a good investment to know that they won't catch on fire. And if something were to catch in the hole, in the line, that they stop before catching on fire, which they're a lot safer. Our plans are to hang it. My husband's got some string that he's gonna hang from up there, and it will come down, and we'll latch it to the top of this. As you guys can see, it's got a light right there, and then we have that outlet, so it will hang in the middle here. And now he's trying to fix my bucket feeder so that I'm able to pull that in and out, because the kids tend to want to stand on that, and then it pushes it down, and it's very hard to get out of there. So he's trying to rig that up so I can be able to get it out of there. I do have another bucket, which is right over here, which I can rotate in and out, which is down there. I've got to replace the nipples on these because the kids chewed them off. And they need to be cleaned very good, so I have to do that. And then we'll get the babies out here so be out here from now on. Till the next batch are born, which are Ariel's. She's due Tuesday. And we'll go from there. Don't think it's moving now. Thank you.
What do you want?
Well, not in the middle or wherever you plan on putting the light. It's got to be away from the light. Probably closer to...
There's more in the middle than everybody can get around the bucket, though.
Well, I know. But we can like set it right there, probably. Right where you got it. Yeah. And then everybody still can get around it.
Get right there.
Yeah. And then we'll just have to hang the light closer to the wall.
That's okay, because this truss is like right here. Well, I can move it on that board and put it right there.
Yeah, that would work. That way we can make sure that it reaches that outlet too.
Alright, there's my wire. Yeah, I was pulling that bucket out of that man that came up and hit me right in the mouth.
Oh, geez, my love.
I wasn't thinking of the idiot.
Did it bust your lip?
Looking good, but bleeding.
You are bleeding or not
No,
bleeding?
I said not.
Oh.
Work for a minute.
Well, yeah. Kind of like
One
getting...
thing when you put both hands underneath and pull up is it's gonna fly up and hit in your face, but I mean,
Maybe. Maybe.
yeah. But you know.
Well, that's good. You mean you didn't get mad and throw it?
Hell did it.
That's a good job, my love.
Good. I don't know where to put it. Oh, how you want me to have it up? You have to tell me where you want it.
Okay. And we got plenty of line.
Cord running around. You can pull that tight. And I can even loop it up there if we have to.
Yeah.
So they can't get to it. Okay.
That's probably about, well, I mean, there's 4 of them, so they could still stay pretty warm.
I mean, they can go down quite a bit.
Yeah.
And they can't eat on anything. I'm just don't want to be able to chew cord.
Right. Right there?
Right there?
Yeah.
All right.
And then, of course, as they grow, we'll have to probably come back in here and you'll have to lift it up some more. But hopefully the weather will get better. I won't necessarily need it.
Not very heavy.
No, that is not. And we can run this
Now that, yep, that'll work perfectly.
right there, and then
Plug that in, we're good with the light.
I'll plug this in. And I'll put it on this side.
Pull that just a little bit. Straighten it out. Like that.
And then we got a light on. And that's good.
You'll just have to watch them if they start like banging around or something.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, both bucks do that.
See, one thing about being in here too is they're out of the wind.
Yeah. And they still can get the coldness, but not direct full coldness.
They'll be fine. Hopefully they don't hurt yourself on the damn thing.
No, they won't, my love. It's okay.
Fine.
Yeah, they'll still have plenty of light.
All the lights is low.
Yeah, I know.
Then
Well-
we'll be in the dark.
We'll have to grab a few more next time we go to farm store. Get a couple more bulbs, just so we have them.
Oh my gosh, I can move.
No more tote living.
Should have had something, had this set up already. See, what you need is a little, one of the little garden sheds is all you need.
Yeah, with just a little pin.
Because you can put a heat lamp in there and you can close that and it'll heat up.
Yeah,
Like that.
yeah.
Look at it. They like it when they can move.
Man, his wattles are big. They like hang right off his neck when he stretches his neck out.
I'm gonna go feed the horses quick.
Okay.
I gotta water them.
And then we gotta eat because dinner is done. Thank you everybody for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And thank you all to all the new subscribers. We appreciate you. Welcome to the YouTube family. And that's what you all are. You're our family too, here on YouTube. Mavis's little buckling right there at the front. He's right there facing us. He's already got him a home. Little bouncing joy right there. And that little guy, he's going as a 4-H wether. But he'll be here till about springtime because they don't have anywhere to actually put him right now. So he'll just be hanging out with us for a while. So thank you everybody again for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and we'll see everybody tomorrow. God bless. Till next time.